How to make only your friends can follow you on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can follow you on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click this one, stories, and not stories, this one, followers and public content. And here you will find it, friends. Just click on it and now all your friends can follow you on Facebook Lite. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.